Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Defender for Endpoint alerts to Teams. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Defender for Endpoint alerts to Microsoft Teams, start by logging into the Microsoft 365 Defender portal. Navigate to the alerts page within the portal. Select the alert you wish to connect to Teams. On the alert details page, look for the option to create a new rule. Click on the Create Rule button to initiate the process. Fill in the required fields for your rule configuration. For the rule type, choose Sending Alerts to a Teams channel. Now, you'll need to specify the Teams channel you want to send alerts to. Click on Add a Teams channel and sign in to your Microsoft Teams account if prompted. Select the appropriate team and channel from the list. Once you have selected your channel, review the alert settings. You can customize the alert triggers based on your organization's needs. After adjusting the settings, proceed to save your rule. Confirm the rule is active and monitor for any alerts. You can test the integration by triggering a test alert within Defender for Endpoint. Return to your Teams channel to ensure the alert appears as expected. If everything works correctly, you're now set up to receive Defender for Endpoint alerts in Teams. Regularly review your alert settings to ensure they meet your changing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.